Hey guys, so if you watched my yesterday's mukbang that I posted, the pizza mukbang, then you guys can probably guess what this is. But basically, I made Korean fried chicken in the spicy sauce, finally. Like, I am so hungry right now. I've been making this pizza for the past like 2 hours, maybe more. And I haven't tried nothing, not the sauce, the chicken, nothing. Like, I've not had the taste of this at all. So this is going to be completely like just first taste, first impression in front of you guys. So yeah, so this is the fried chicken with the sweet and spicy sauce, and I have a couple of bits because in the recipe that like I was using, the sauce didn't end up being enough, so I still have like a couple of pieces left that just didn't have enough sauce to coat them. So I just have them here, and you know how in Korea they usually, like when you order this chicken, it comes like divided up, and half of it comes in the sauce and half just comes fried. So I thought this was kind of like the same thing where I would be able to sample both. And I just have some pickled radishes here to just kind of help me cleanse my palate, and water for a drink. So, oh my gosh, without further ado, let's jump right in. I am so excited. What ended up happening, like I kind of burned half the batch of the chicken. Because I kept it like in the oil for too long, even though like I was following the recipe, but whatever. Wait, I hope you guys can see this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Mm. 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 Oh my gosh, the sauce is life. Mm. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna try the chicken on its own first. Can you hear how crunchy it is? It's not supposed to be this crunchy because I like overfried it. Mmm. On its own, it's really good too. But so much better with this sauce. Oh my god. Mm. This is amazing. It's so fried that I can't even like bite into it. Oh my gosh. I don't understand why, because it said to fry it for like 20 minutes in total. In one of the batches that I fried, I only kept in for like 15. And it's still really hard to bite into. The sauce is bomb. It's spicy, sweet, so good. I seriously recommend you try this, guys. It's worth the hassle. I will leave the recipe for this in the description box below. This particular recipe I used is from Mangchi, which I'm sure that if you're into Korean cuisine, you know who she is. She's like one of the main like people who post Korean food recipes, and I have like made a lot of foods from her recipes in the past, and she's really good. The bits that are over fried like this one, so hard to bite into. The sauce is actually really spicy. Like, I'm really good with spice. I can eat tteokbokki, no problem. But this is actually really spicy. But you can control it totally by how much gochujang you put in. This sauce is basically garlic, ketchup, gochujang, which is like hot pepper paste, rice syrup, and that's it, I think. Oh, so crunchy. This was my first time ever frying anything. I definitely recommend having like radishes or something like that to cleanse your palate and kind of help with the heat. This is really good. So spicy though, oh my gosh. I'm so sorry guys, I'm eating like a pig. This is not a first date food. Maybe this chicken, but not the one in the sauce. Because it gets all over your mouth. I'm not gonna be able to finish all this though. I'm already getting like pretty full. My nose is running. It really is spicy though. Don't put in as much hot pepper paste as the recipe says if you aren't very good with spicy food. Because I consider myself to be pretty good with spicy food, and this is spicy. I can't really see, but I think my lips are really red. This is a good mukbang food though because there's a lot of crunch involved. Okay, let's try the chicken leg. Oh my gosh. This is gonna get everywhere. Mm. Mm. You know what I really want to try? I want to try sundae. Oh no, what's in my hair? um, as far as I know, sundae is pork blood sausage, and like the idea of it is really repulsing, but a lot of Koreans enjoy it, so I would want to try it and see how it tastes. I think the leg tasted the best so far. I think it's good because now I have an idea of what the chicken tastes like and the sauce, but I definitely still want to try it at like a restaurant, because obviously it's gonna still taste a bit different than from how I made it. Actually, in the chain of Korean restaurants where I live, they do serve both these chickens, but they only bring out chicken for like 4 people, because I guess they make like the whole chicken and they fry it whole. So if I wanted to eat it, I would have to go with a group of 4 people. But whenever we go there, you know, everyone will always want something different. So it's really hard to like make everyone eat the chicken. I have so many dishes to do now because I had to use a frying pan to make chicken in the sauce, and I needed different bowls to make the sauce and the chicken and mix the chicken. That's the one thing I really hate about cooking. The cleanup afterwards. Because you have to clean up after yourself. Okay, I'm gonna have one more piece and I'm done. Because I'm seriously getting so full. And even though I only had breakfast today, I didn't eat lunch. And it's quite late now, it's like almost 8 o'clock I think. So, yeah. But still I'm like really full. I love these radishes. They seriously go with everything. And that's like the one thing I love about Korean cuisine. Is they have all these like little side dishes that go like with the main meal. That like help like balance out your palate and like, so they make sure like you don't get tired of eating the same food. And I think that's really awesome and just I just love Korean cuisine. Okay. I am done for today. Oh my gosh, I'm so full. So full right now. But it's really delicious. I'm sorry I didn't talk too much today. I was just so absorbed in this chicken, in its deliciousness. And I'm sorry this entire video was like me and my face covered in like red sauce. But yeah, so definitely try out this recipe. It's very, very delicious. Especially if you live somewhere where they don't have maybe Korean restaurants, or, you know, you just kind of, you are in the situation like me where maybe you do, but then they don't like give it for just one person. And you've never tried it before and you want to taste what it's like. I definitely recommend making this because it's really not that hard, and it's also a really good like cooking experience because you know, you get to try doing something and making a food that you didn't before, and that improves your cooking skills. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and tell me what food you would like to see me eat next, because I'm kind of out of ideas at the moment. So let me know. And if you guys make this chicken, then please also let me know in the comments and how you guys liked it. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!